Right guys, today I've gained 1 subscriber, but can you just give me more by it's 2025 right now, so by 2035 I want to get to 1 million subscribers. And don't just ignore my videos, but please just give me the views and what I please, and it just helps a lot. And I really want a YouTube plaque so I can so I can play and get a new, like something new or something. But bye.